Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cook and grow a garden. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to cook, you need to have this cooking kit on your garden. You can get this cooking kit from completing the common achievement. Wait, I'm going to open up my garden guide first. And then we can go to the achievements and select the core plants achievement. Okay, and this is the common achievements that you need to complete. You need to complete all these achievements and you will unlock the cooking kit. And after that, you can go to the cosmetic inventory and you can place the cosmetic on your garden. You can place this cooking kit cosmetic and then you will be able to cook. And you can cook with the fruits from your garden and just click on the cook button here and you need to wait for a moment to get the food. Okay guys, and that's all the way to cook and grow a garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.